Hello, we're the Sons of the Prophets from Hiles-Anderson College. We're traveling southwest this summer with Dr. and Mrs. Scott Gray. My name is Joel Richardson. I'm a senior from LaPorte, Indiana.
Hello, my name is John Richardson. I'm a sophomore from LaPorte, Indiana.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Jonathan Maskey, and I'm a sophomore from Nigeria, West Africa.
Hello, my name is Joe Simmons. I'm a junior from Longview, Texas.
My name is Daniel Morsi. I'm a junior from Temperance, Michigan. At the piano is Daniel Kokoboom from Durham, North Carolina.
Atonement Day, a shepherd cries, another spotless lamb must die. Oh, how could just one sacrifice our God Jehovah satisfy? Year after year the blood would flow, but none could wash me white as snow. Salvation Day fulfilled the plan, the promise came. One holy lamb, wash my sin away. One sacrifice paid the price I could not pay. One holy lamb, one great I am, one seed of Abraham. One holy lamb, wash my sin away. Atonement Day, the Father cries, the spotless Son of God must die. One final death for every man, one blood, one life, one holy lamb, wash my sin away. One sacrifice paid the price I could not pay. One holy lamb, one great I am, one seed of Abraham. One holy lamb, wash my sin away. Oh, hallelujah, praise the Lamb. Praise the Lamb. Hallelujah, hallelujah, praise the Lamb. One holy lamb, wash my sin away. One sacrifice paid the price I could not pay. One holy lamb, one great I am, one seed of Abraham. One holy lamb, one holy lamb, one holy lamb. He washed my sin away.